Stray cats manage to survive for weeks through a combination of innate skills, adaptability, and environmental factors. Here are several key strategies they use. Hunting skills. Stray cats are natural hunters. They rely on their instincts to catch small animals such as rodents, birds, and insects. Their ability to stalk and pounce helps them secure food. Foraging. In addition to hunting, stray cats often forage for food. They may scavenge from garbage, seek out food left by humans, or rely on resources like bird feeders. Shelter. Stray cats seek out safe places to sleep and hide from predators. This might include abandoned buildings, under porches, or dense vegetation. Finding shelter helps them conserve energy and stay safe from the elements. Social behavior. Some stray cats form colonies, which can provide benefits like shared hunting grounds and protection from predators. Social interactions can also help them find food more easily. Adaptability. Stray cats are highly adaptable animals. They can modify their behavior based on their environment, such as becoming more nocturnal, to avoid human activity, or adapting their hunting techniques based on available prey. Health and reproduction. While health can be an issue for strays, healthy cats can reproduce quickly, which helps maintain their population. The survival of kittens can also contribute to the overall resilience of the stray cat community. Resourcefulness. Stray cats are often resourceful and can learn from their experiences. They may remember where to find food and safe spots, improving their chances of survival over time. Overall, a combination of instinct, learned behavior, and social dynamics allows stray cats to survive in challenging environments.
Siya binaningkamot ha, ngayo tapos inyong gi
mga tip naman na sila, mga
cute ini ay magpili.
Oh, my love na boy. Ito ko lalab sa mommy.
Uy, ka-cute ini oy.
Kapon na siya. Kapon na di, pati mga ano na siya. May...
Uy, healthy ni siya like ang baba.
Ano? Patulit siya, nagbigay.
Uy, ka-juicy ni mo eh. Ano di mo naman ikaw nagkaon?
Hatag po taon siya eh. Hindi siya sa hating-hating kapatid. Hindi ka pumili kayo. May pangiring, manhatag pa.
Mahal ba kayo na? Imo lang giis na ba kong namnam? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Gutom si Yoyo kay gipang gutom ang mga kagwang. Siya nga dugay kay mga dugay kay tay pakaon. Bisag simot sa lubot.
Guwapa ka na rin nga po.
Hey, aw, yung paborito nga iring nasa taas.
Ah, sige na, yan mo na yung mga.
Ay, kaptisa.
Kasi baka maapakan ko.
Ha?
Natatakot ako pag sinusunod sila kasi baka maapakan ko.
Oh. Uy, alis ka dyan. Baka magsagasaan ka.
Madami na. Tara na.
Mga 15 seconds.